To replace the ADF, remove it from the helmet shell by pushing the two latches inwards and pulling the ADF downwards. After you have switched on the ADF, you can use the Mode button to choose between shade levels 4 to 8, Cut Mode, 9 to 14, Weld Mode, or the Automatic function. Within the Cut or Weld mode, the shade level can be adjusted gradually using the Shade button. Use the Delay button to set the time that the ADF needs to open again after the welding process. You can use the Sensi button to adjust the ADF's response sensitivity depending on the lighting situation. TIG welding usually requires a higher level of sensitivity. TIG should appear on the display. In Auto mode, the ADF automatically adjusts to the required shade level. You can adjust this individually using the Mode button plus or minus 2 levels. The helmet stays on until you put it back in the bag, where it remains in standby mode. To save energy, you can also actively switch it off. Of course, you can also make all of the settings shown when the device is installed. If you are not using the helmet for a long period of time, we recommend that you switch it off completely to conserve the battery. Now push the entire ADF back into the flip element of the helmet. Make sure that the top of the ADF slides into the recess provided until the latches on the bottom can be pushed outwards again and the ADF is thus secured. Now you are ready for your perfect weld again.